Are you looking for a way to automatically sync new Stripe customers over to Google Sheets as new rows? With zzBots, you can now install this from our plugin store. This plugin contains one bot. This bot will monitor for new customers in Stripe and then automatically sync them over to Google Sheets as new rows. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the Install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Stripe account. Next, set up the connection with your Google Sheets account. After your account is connected, select the spreadsheet and the worksheet that you want to sync to. Click Next and Install Now. After clicking Done, you will be redirected to the Bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings. In Google Sheets, the following example worksheet has the customer ID, name, phone number, and email address in columns A through D. In zzBots, to finish setting up your bot, expand the Add New Row in Spreadsheet step. You will insert the value of the corresponding Stripe field into each Google Sheets column. This example shows columns A through D, but you can insert values into any number of columns to best fit your needs. After you finish configuring your bot, scroll up and click Save. After you save your bot, enable it by clicking here. You can test this sync by adding a few new customers in Stripe. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps for each bot, you will see the bot history. The bot power used each time that your bot is triggered will be shown here. Bot power will not be used when your bot is checking for new data. Bot power will only be used when your bot successfully syncs new customers from Stripe to Google Sheets as new rows. As you can see here, the new Stripe customers successfully synced over to Google Sheets as new rows. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your different apps together or automate your business, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com or join our community at zzbots.com/community.